After a good 8 to 10 prototypes, I finally had a revelation and was able to complete my speaker mount. It's solid, it's not going anywhere. I do plan on selling these, so I did not want to have an inferior design, but now with this design I feel comfortable enough that if a kayak does roll over or whatever, this is not going anywhere. And with that, let's take a closer look at this. With some shock cord, which is basically really thin bungee material, it's able to make it so that there's 2 holes on either side, and with the shock cord I can just put the speaker in there and they rest there, and you can make them as long as you would need for any size speaker that you have. And then I also included 2 more holes here, so I could put another shock cord around that way. I made a hole here so that if you were concerned, you can leash it down somewhere, like I have my Mirage Drive leash. But really simple. It's 1 screw and it comes out, and this is the design. And it's a simple design, but it took me a while to figure this part out. What I was doing prior was I was trying to get this modeled after the Ram wedge mount, and when you would tighten it, it was supposed to come up and be at an offset to create tension along the walls of this, but I couldn't get enough tension and they would come out super easy. So then I had the idea to use a crush washer. So in here is a crush washer, and if I were to take this, well, you can see it there. So the crush washer, as this gets tightened down, the crush washer will essentially expand, and since it's rubber, it has a lot more friction than this PLA material, which is what it is 3D printed out of. On the underside, I just have some supports that are built in, and just to give it some extra strength and rigidity, because if it was just a single tube coming out of the flat, it can break pretty easily. But this was printed all around, and that's 1 layer, so it's not this is all 1 piece, and it's pretty solid. Now obviously if I put enough pressure on it, it will break just because it's a plastic, but that's not what it's not designed to take incredible amounts of weight or different angles. Like, it's supposed to just sit in there and stay in there, and then you put it in, tighten it down, and I've got these 2 extra triangles that I added on there, and what they do is they rest up against here so that it doesn't twist and turn. Goes in, down, tighten it up, and I'm trying. I'm not doing it for theatrics or anything. I'm trying, and it's in there. Now, if you really pull with enough force, it will break. But again, that's not what it's designed for. And that's really it. It was a revelation to me. This tube is about 22, 23 millimeters. This crush washer was 31 out of 32 diameter, outside diameter, so it's a snug fit going down, which gives it that tension against the walls that I was looking for. And then on the underside here, there's a washer in there, and I was able to make a triangle, or a hexagon to accommodate the washer. So when you tighten the screw, it comes up, and you can see how it came out of the side, and that's what I was looking for, and that was the missing piece. So I am gonna sell these. I just need to figure out how this material is gonna hold up in the sun for, you know, 8 hours, 10 hours, and after that I will print a bunch. I might explore a different material should this fall apart, but the design is mine, and yeah, now I can have some tunes on the water, and you know, I'm able to keep my phone away. So leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I got some more ideas that I got to design and then maybe sell those too. So leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.